Hello everybody, hope all of you are well.
Hello everyone and welcome to chemistry practical class. Previous day we started test for carbohydrates and the first test that was performed was Fehling test. Fehling solution is prepared by mixing equal volume of Fehling A and Fehling B. The sample is glucose and its aqua solution is prepared, and this aqua solution is added to Fehling solution and then further they are heated together in test tube to obtain a brick red color precipitate. The Fehling test is a very important test for glucose, and here we have got a positive result for the test with a brick red precipitate. Next test performed was treating of glucose with lead acetate and ammonium hydroxide solution, where initially we got a white precipitate which on further heating got a very light pink color of precipitate. Now in the day 2, today we are going to see some other tests for carbohydrate.
Next we'll perform the tolerance test for carbohydrate. We know that glucose having the CHO group will give the positive tolerance test. First we have to know how to prepare tolerance reagent. Actually tolerance reagent is not stable. We have to prepare all time freshly in the lab. So first we have to take the silver nitrate solid. Okay, here the concentration of silver should be little bit of high compared to the silver nitrate solution generally available in the laboratory. Okay, that is why you are taking solid, little bit of solid silver nitrate salt, okay, inside this beaker. And then we will add some distilled water. And in this way we have to prepare silver nitrate solution. So see here this silver nitrate solution. Now to this solution we will add sodium hydroxide solution. This one is sodium hydroxide. You see the change in the color. It is turning the greyish type of precipitate. The blackish grey precipitate is formed. Now we have to add here ammonium hydroxide solution drop wise. We should not add excess to get a clear solution. To dissolve the precipitate of silver hydroxide. We have to make almost clear solution. Now till it is dark color, we have to add more ammonium hydroxide solution. Drop white, always now slowly it is dissolving in ammonium hydroxide. Now it is almost clear. It's clear solution. This clear solution, okay, will take inside a test tube. Now our tolerance reagent is ready. This is our tolerance reagent. Okay. This much is not required, only the half of the test tube. Now to this solution we have to add the pinch of C6 solid we will add to this solution, or we can add, it is dissolved in water. We have water solution of carbohydrate, that will dissolve. Adding to this tolerance reagent. Now this solution we will keep in the water bath, inside this water bath. Now see this one, this previous solution is becoming quite solvent pink color is appearing. Okay, light pink color. This is called solvent pink color. Okay, halka, that is very light. Now we'll we'll heat this solution in hot water bath. In this tolerance test, silver, the tolerance reagent silver is in class 1 state. It will be reduced to 0 state. Silver will become Ag0. And that silver will deposit on the wall of the glass of the test tube, and this test tube after some time will look like silver mirror. The mirror will be formed, the inner wall of the test tube, and that is why this is called silver mirror test also. What is happening here, the solution slowly is turning into black color. And if we divide the solution into 2 test tubes, then I think it will be faster. Pouring this solution into another test tube, make it half. These 2 test tubes will apply heat. Inside this hot water burner.
One test tube is kept in the water bath, another for the rapid observation. We are using direct heat. Yes, it's coming.
Here you see that a silver mirror is formed. Okay. Coming very good.
This is the silver. If you can see bottom, this is the silver piece. This is the silver mirror. Deposition of silver. The deposition of silver exactly like mirror.